Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all are fine. Let's start our video. So let's talk about our main problem in my country, major problem in Bangladesh. Honorable teacher, respected guests and my audience. Assalamu alaikum. Today, I would like to speak about our very important topic. The major problem is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a beautiful country with a rich history, natural beauty, and hardworking people. But like every developing nations, we also face several challenges that hold us back for reaching our full potential. Today, I will discuss the main problems of Bangladesh, their causes, and how we can overcome them. Overpopulations. The biggest challenge is in the Bangladesh is overpopulation, with more than 70 million people living in a small land area. Bangladesh is one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Effects: pressure on food supply, housing shortage, traffic congestion, and the very most important problem, unemployment, pressure on education and healthcare. Overpopulation creates a chain reaction making other problems even worse. Traffic congestions. Dhaka is capital city, is known worldwide for its heavy traffic. Millions of people spend hours stuck on the road every day. Causes: too many vehicles, narrow roads, poor planning, lack of public transport, rapid urbanizations. Impact: wasted time, lost productivity, stress and health problems. Environment: populations, traffic is not just an inconvenience, it is a national challenges. Unemployment is another major problem, specifically among the youth. But why? Lack of industry growth, skill gap, over depends on a few sectors, not enough job opportunity for graduates. Unemployment leads to frustrations, poverty, and sometimes crime. Our young generations need proper training, education, and job creation to build a better future. Populations and environmental issues. Bangladesh faces serious environmental problems. Air pollutions. Dhaka is often listed among the most populated cities. Water populations, industrial wastes, plastic and toxic chemical pollute rivers and canals. Climate change. Bangladesh is one of the most vulnerable countries of force, cyclones and rising sea levels. Consequence: health problems, damage to agricultural, loss of biodiversity, risks to millions living near coastal areas. Environmental care is no longer optional, it is urgent and necessary. And 5 number, corruption. Corruption is a deep rooted problem that affects many sectors. Where does it happen? Government, office, business sector, public services, education and healthcare. Impact: slow development, loss of public trusted, unfair distributions of resource, increase poverty. Corporation is like a disease. It weakens in the system for the inside. Sorry guys. Despite progress, poverty remains a major issue. Many families still struggle to afford proper food, education, medical treatment, housing costs including low income, lack of jobs, natural disaster, social inequality. To fight poverty, we need stronger social safety programs, better education, and more jobs opportunity. Weak health system. The healthcare system is in Bangladesh is improving but is still weak compared to global standards. Problem include shortage of doctors, poor hospital infrastructure, high cost of treatment, lack of medicine in rural areas. The system affects millions of people, specifically the poor. Low quality education. Education is the backbone of a nation, but Bangladesh faces challenges as outdated curriculum, lack of trained teacher, overcrowded classroom, limited access in rural areas. To build a strong nation, we must ensure high quality education for every child. Conclusions. Bangladesh has many problems: overpopulation, traffic, unemployment, populations, corruption, poverty, and weak service. But Bangladesh also has something very powerful in people. Bangladesh are hardworking, brave, and full of potential. If we work together, stay honest and committed to changes, we can reduce poverty, we can eliminate corruption, we can protect our environment, we can build a modern, smart, and prosperous Bangladesh. The future of our country is in our hands. Let us dream big, act wisely, and build a better Bangladesh for the next generations. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum. Take care. See you soon.